Okay, just a quick video. It's a Humber Sceptre Mk2. I've had it for a while. There was a guy, I think he was in the owners club, so I'm the Sceptre spares advisor for the Humber club. He did a load of work on it, didn't have time to finish it through ill health. I got it, finished it off. I passed it on to my mate Chad. He drove it for a while when his Mark 1 developed problems, shall we say. He's nearly got his other one over there on the road. Anyway, I put this back together, MOT'd it. The gearbox was a bit rumbly. I've now put another used gearbox in it, which is loads better. Overdrive works and that fine. Dash is quite good. So, years MOT, or it was 2 weeks ago, so 11 months certainly by the time I get this video out. The fuel gauge doesn't work. I haven't got another sender and I haven't had a chance to do anything about it or check it. So bear that in mind. Interior, a bit of a split there. It's had these other new carpets, but they need a bit of sorting out. There was a hole on the corner. I welded that up. It's just been filled over. I thought I had some pictures of it, but I haven't. But I have welded it up. The paint's a bit, yeah, it's marked, flaky here and there. So bits like that in there. A dent here and there. It is what it is. It's not the best, but it's certainly not the worst. It would do anyone as a starter classic. Mechanically it's good. It's got stainless steel exhaust, as I said. New clutch. Yeah, did the clutch, which you'll see in this video. Did all the core plugs. I'm just about to do this this one and swap the alternator on. I've just got to do that core plug at the front. All the rest has been done. I'm looking for about, I don't know, 3,750 or best offer. You need to be stood in front of me with money. So give me a call. 01489 877 580 or 07947 632 976. Yeah, come and have a look. Good oil pressure. I don't think the fuel gauge is working. Rev counter works, speedo works, overdrive works. It actually runs quite nicely. Electronic ignition, Weber carb, and it will have a new alternator on it.